Good morning, dear student. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher in a Shivraj Singh Children Academy. In a previous lecture, we have learned about the geometric progression, general term of the geometric progression. That means an equal to an equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Sum of the first n term, that means Sn equal to a 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r, or Sn equal to a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Today we are going to discuss about geometric progression. Geometric means now today we are going to discuss about geometric mean. The geometric mean of two positive numbers a and b is a number square root ab. That means geometric mean is an abbreviation as the GM is equal to square root ab. Also this GM is denoted by simply in a capital letter G. G equal to square root AB. Here formula of G equal to square root AB, where A is the positive numbers and B is the positive numbers. That means A, G, B is a GP. You can find geometric mean between two positive numbers. A and B is the G equal to square root AB. What is the definition of G? We can insert a numbers capital G between two positive numbers A and B to make the resulting sequence is the GP. We can say that number A, number G, number B is the GP, and number G between A and B, where A and B is the positive numbers. Examples: find geometric mean between 2 and 8. Here A equal to 2 and B equal to 8 and G equal to square root AB. We know that G equal to square root AB. That means geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B is the G. G is square root 2 multiply 8. G equal to square root 16. G equal to 4. This gives square root 16 gives value 4, only 4, not square root 16 is equal to plus minus 4. Square root 16 is only 4. We can find the geometric mean between 2 and 8 is the 4. But what is the 4? What is the definition of the geometric means? 2, 4, 8. 4 is the number between 2 and 8. To make the 2, 4, 8 is the GP. check whether this is GP or not. We find the common ratio here, A1 equal to 2, A2 equal to 4, A3 equal to 8. Then A2 equal to 1, A2 upon A1 equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2. A3 upon A2 equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 2. Here A2 upon A1 equal to A3 upon A2. Both are equal, hence this is the GP. That means a number is inserting between two numbers, two positive numbers, which make the resulting sequence is the GP, then this number is known as the geometric mean of two numbers, two positive numbers, 2 and 8. Understand, student? Here some student talk to G equal to -4 is also geometric mean of 2 and 8, because 2 minus 4 and 8 is the GP, is a GP. -4 by 2 equal to -2, 8 by -4 equal to -2, but -4 is not between 2 and 8, then this is the not a geometric mean of 2 and 8. And square root 16 only gives the value of 4, and square of 16 gives the value of x equal to plus minus 4. Here this concept, and square root of 16 is always positive. -4 is not a geometric mean of 2 and 8. Some important point related to the geometric means. Remark. First, square root of negative numbers does not defined in real case, in real number. That means square root -4 is the not defined in the real. And second point does not defined in real number. Second, if a is the less than 0 and b is the less than 0, that means a and b both are negative, then we cannot find geometric mean of a and b. Why? If, for example, we understand this concept by the examples, geometric mean of -2 and 8. G equal to square root -2 multiply -8. G equal to 16, G equal to 4. Here 4 is not between 2 and -8. Then 4 is the not geometric mean of 2 and 8. You understand why you take the positive numbers a and b. If and third, if a is the positive and b is the negative, then ab is the negative, it is not possible to the find square root of this other. If here a is the positive, b is the negative, then square root of ab not possible. Not possible. If a is the negative and b is the positive, then also ab is the negative, then the square root of ab is not possible. Hence two numbers, find the geometric means of the two positive numbers. Here both are negative, here one negative and one positive, then cannot find the geometric mean of the two numbers. Square root 16 is the 4. It should always positive, not negative. And fifth, x square equal to 4, then implies that the value of x equal to plus minus 2. In this lecture, we have insert one geometric mean between two positive numbers a and b. Now we can insert many numbers. Between two positive numbers a and b as you like, to make the resulting sequence is the geometric progression. That means GP. A and b is the two positive numbers. We can insert one geometric mean, and also we can insert two geometric mean. You can insert three geometric mean. You can insert four geometric mean. You can insert four geometric mean. You can insert two geometric mean between a and b. You can insert three geometric mean between a and b. You can insert four geometric mean between a and b. As you like to insert geometric mean between a and b. Now let G1, G2, G3, G4, so on, Gn B numbers insert between two positive numbers a and b such that a, G1, G2, G3, G4, so on, Gn B is Gp. Here we insert n geometric means between a and b. This is the geometric mean G1, G2, G3, G4, Gn of two positive numbers a and b. Then this make the sequence is the Gp. Now we find the value of G1, G2, G3 similarly. Here first term A, let us consider the common ratio of this GP is, let us consider common ratio is R, and total term, the number of terms in GP. Here n geometric mean and 1 and 2, there are total number of term in this GP is the n plus 2. We find the value of G1, G2, G3, G4. Here G1 is the second term of this GP. Second term of this GP is the AR to the power 2 minus 1, that means AR. Here general term of the GP, AN equal to AR to the power n minus 1. Using this formula, we find the value of G1 is equal to A. G1 is the second term, then G1 equal to AR to the power 2 minus 1 equal to AR, and G2 equal to AR square, G3 equal to AR cube. Similarly, Gn equal to AR to the power n. Again, we find last term of this GP, this is denoted by 1. Again, we find the value of last term an plus 2. An plus 2 equal to last term, that means n plus 2 term of this GP is the B. But formula of this AR to the power n plus 2 minus 1, Gn plus 2 equal to AR to the power n plus 1. Here An plus 2 term is the B. Now this implies that AR to the power n plus 1 equal to B. Last term of this GP is the B, and that means n plus 2 term of this GP is the B. Then value of An plus 2 is the B. We put the value of An plus 2 is the B, then find the value of AR to the power n plus 1 equal to B upon A. Again, R equal to B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. That means if x cube equal to 8, then x equal to 8 to the power 1 by 3. Put the value of R in 1. Put the value of R in 1, we get the value of G1, G2, G3, Gn, so on. G1 equal to A, value of R equal to B upon A, value of R equal to B upon A to the power 1 by n plus 1. G2 equal to AR square. G2 equal to AR square. The value of R B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1, that means this is a square 2 power n plus 1. Here G3 equal to AR cube. This gives the value A B upon A to the power 3 upon n plus 1. Similarly, we can find the value of Gn. In a similarly way, we find the value of Gn equal to A d upon a to the power n upon n plus 1. We can insert g1, g2, so on gn be the geometric mean between a and two positive numbers a and b. The value of g1 equal to this, the value of g2 equal to this, and the value of gn equal to this, and this makes is a gp. I hope student you understand this concept. In the next lecture I will be discuss about the geometric mean with the help of the examples. Thank you.